one of our many different tasks. Not only do we keep the ship running, but we're also here, we do, once we go to sea, there's no shop for the scientists to send their toys to. So whenever they break, they bring them to us. Revelle is a really unique ship in the fact that it's computer operated pretty much completely. We start and stop all the engines from the computer. The computer manages all the power distribution around through the ship. Throttle signals from the bridge. You guys have already been on the bridge many times and you've seen that. You see that there's not the big traditional steering wheel or anything up there. This is all done by electronics. It's a matter of sending an electric signal to a little relay down here into the computer. The computer says, okay, do that. I'll show you the air conditioning compressors. This is part of your creature comforts. It's really a challenge, like this last leg, from going from down in the ice where it's sub-zero temperatures down back up here to the tropics, and keeping you guys all nice and happy in one temperature the entire time. But we have the ability to do that with varying different machines around here, and it's always fun. We'll go down to the lower level and we'll look at the engines. The ship is diesel electric, which means our engines don't propel the ship. They just generate electricity. We have electric motors in the stern, which actually turn the propellers. We'll see those too, but we'll look at the generators first. Right now we're going really fast because we're going to port, and that's important. So we have 3 of the big ones online, and we're doing a little over 13.5 right now. And so it's going to be real noisy when we go out, but that's okay. We'll point and shoot. That's really interesting to see. It's a lot different than when we were down here the other day. I'll show you the little ones. I'll show you how we make our fresh water. We have the ability to make about 6,000, 6,500 gallons a day of fresh water, and it's extremely pure fresh water. It's made by flash evaporator, puts seawater into across a heated tube in a vacuum, and it literally flashes the fresh water flashes out, the salt water stays heavy, it recondenses on a cold tube up on top, and that fresh water just runs right out. In optimum circumstances, if we keep them in good shape, the water is almost laboratory quality water right out of the units.